Hello everyone, we're here for another unboxing of coins. I won it recently. It's world coins and it's a half kilo or 500 grams. And I just won it for $16.50. And I think it's worth it because I see on the pictures there's a lot of varieties of coins and coins that I like, old coins mainly. So we'll see what they are. I only buy from collectors as well, and people who trade coins. So I know these are legit coins, and I think it is a good lot actually. So we'll see. It's nicely wrapped. See, old coins. A lot of them. See, a lot of varieties. Here we go. See, pennies from the UK, and this one is from 1936. I like UK pennies. There's a lot of history behind it. This is a 1 penny from 1919. King George, it is King George the Fifth. This one is another King George the Fifth from 1922. This one is an older one. It's King Edward the Seventh, and it's from 1908. It's another King George the Fifth. This one is King George the Sixth from 1938. Another King George the Fifth. King George the Fifth. King George the Fifth. So a few more. King George the Fifth. So this is a half penny. King George the Fifth from 1920. I like them, half pennies and pennies. King George the Sixth from 1938. So now this one is New Zealand 1 florin from 1963. Looks nice, and it's also inside the capsule. So I don't know. It's probably have a good value. So I'll do research on this one. And this one is a half crown, New Zealand 1949. King George the Sixth. And we have here is wow, it's a nice one. It's a 3 pence, Queen Elizabeth from UK, and it's from 1966. It's nicely toned. This one is another, I think it's UK. Oh no, it's New Zealand 1 shilling from 1962. See, nice engraving over there. No, this is a half penny. Okay, this is Queen Victoria's half penny. I think it's the latter one. It's maybe, oh yep, the 1900. It's from 1900. This one. It's Queen Victoria. I think that's the last portrait that she had on the coin. King George the Sixth. This one is New Zealand 1 penny from 1952. Very nice. Okay, it's another old one, King George. So another King Edward, 1 penny from 1906. Now we have a US coin from 1998. See, it's a $1/4. Nice, very nice. It's another $1/4 from 1998 too. So, oh wow, okay, very good. Now this is China. I think one Yuan, one from China, 2018. It says Shonggu Renmin Yin Hang. Flower at the back. This is from Hong Kong, from 1979, $1. And we can see Queen Elizabeth II. That's another New Zealand coin, 1947. Nice engraving on this one, eh? Very nice. It's a warrior. And this one is 1952, 6 pence. I think this is the Huya bird, New Zealand, King George VI. So 1 shilling from UK, 1954. Nice engraving on the crest or coat of arms. This is 1 penny from year 2000. We can see here D, so that means this was produced in the Denver Mint. See here, so I think it's an uncirculated one. Very nice, very nice. This one is New Zealand, 1947, 3 pence. Wow, King George VI. See, very nice. Now, okay, I see this one's different. This is from the US. It's 2009, also from the Denver Mint. It's a 1 penny, and we can see here this is a commemorative 1 cent. See, E pluribus unum. I think from what I remember, this is the house that Abraham Lincoln or Benjamin Franklin was born. I'm not sure. I made a video about this coin before. Yeah, it is a commemorative coin, I believe. Yes. Right. This one is wow, nice one. 1 cent from Australia, 1990. Now it's another 1907. King Edward VII, 1 penny from UK. This is another New Zealand 6 pence, 1964. This one is a $1 coin from the US. Very nice, eh? Freedom Bell. And we can see here. Very nice. See? $1. It's 1919, so that's King Edward V. Edward V. Anything else interesting? This one was this one. Oh, this one is a Hong Kong one. 1977 Hong Kong. It's 50 cents. Oh, this one. 20 pence, 1982. UK. Queen Elizabeth II. See here the Pender of the Pate, the Queen, and the Pender of the Pate, Queen, and I don't know what what the other one is. Alright, okay, 1936. Oh, this one is a euro. 50-cent euro. Wow, very nice. It's another New Zealand 1 penny. Oh, 5 penny. 5 cent, sorry. This is a nickel from the Denver Mint 1992. For 1 dime. This one is a half penny from 1932. It's patina. So 10 cent. 10 cent, it's a euro coin. Looks euro really, so I think it's a euro one. Or a Yugoslavian. Very nice photo palms. Yeah. Well, this one is a 1 crown, 1965, Elizabeth II de Gracia Regina. By the grace of God, Queen, Defender of the Faith. So that's the FD. And this is a Churchill commemorative. So I think that's when Churchill passed away, they made this commemorative coin. And of course, this one is a nice, wow, it's Queen Elizabeth. And it is from the royal visit. This is not a coin, this is a medal or like a souvenir. 1953-54, Elizabeth II. Very nice. Right, it's the same. So this one is I think it's a Chinese coin. Looks very nice, eh? Don't know what this one is. I have to do a research on this. Yeah, I think it's an old one too. See the ones on the side here. It's like a Greek design, but it is I think it's a Chinese coin, an old coin from Chinese. So I'll do a research on this one. And this one is from Australia, is it? New Zealand, 1979. It's a big one, eh? Wow. I think that's about it. I think, yeah, good varieties too. You know, I like the old 1 penny. I collect most UK pennies, and yep, they are very collectible. All right. Thank you very much, and I do hope you all have a good day.